Hello, every designer, and welcome. So, in my introduction, I talked many times about how I organize the folder structure for any new project in a Blender. So, usually, I put a folder for the reference images. Next, I put folder for the rendering, the render images, maybe movie, maybe image sequence, and next to it, textures, models, shaders. And after that, maybe UVs for texture painting and for uh, textures if you want to export textures, and if you are making models for 3D printing, you put the export folder, of course. And that's why I made this and write this simple script, simple program. This program will save the location each time. You just select the save, and of course I organize the folders and projects. This is the year, and this is 9, which is September. And of course you can select the folder and just name if you want to. It's now 14, so let's say 14, which is the day, and let's say it will be 3D logo. Just click create, and after that you can open the folder. That's it will say it will have export, models, assets, references, rendering, textures used. So the idea for this, let's say 15, assume that you will start daily 4 or 5 projects, or as many projects as you want. It will save you a few seconds or a few minutes, but to be organized, it will save a lot of you some time, of course. And let's say it will be 14, and the mug design maybe create. Yes, it will be opened here, mug design, and all projects it will be located here. Let's say it will say 14 game asset stylized. After that you can open the folder. So it make you organized. It put you an organize circle. So it organize the folder and create the folder structure for you. It's of course for free. I will leave the download link for that. And if you want to customize it, you can contact me on WhatsApp or via email. It's very helpful for me, and that's why I share it for public. Thanks a lot for watching this lesson. If you find this lesson or this video helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in another tutorial.